We have been programmed that emotions are bad and that we need not to talk about them. Truth is, if we don't have self-awareness, if we are not able to manage our feelings, and if we do not have empathy and effective relationships, then no matter how smart we are not going to get very far. Unfortunately, as doctors, we haven't been taught how to handle neither our emotions nor our patients, who look up at us as being the kind, mature, and all-knowing. In this course, we learned how to connect to our hearts, and we learned about the 8 pillars of emotional intelligence, that if you master, you will lead your life with meaning and understand your purpose in life, and live it even when you're not alive.